Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fund your Interactive Brokers account in Singapore. First, you need to select your preferred funding method. Common options include direct bank transfers or online bill payments. It is crucial to ensure your bank account is properly linked to your Interactive Brokers account. Always confirm that your chosen method supports transfers to Singapore-based accounts for a smooth transaction process. To initiate a bank transfer, log into your Interactive Brokers client portal. From the main menu, find and click on Transfer and Pay, then select Transfer Funds. Next, choose Deposit Funds to start the process. Interactive Brokers will provide you with specific bank account details, including the account number and bank name, which are essential for your transfer. When funding your account, always use a bank account registered in your name to avoid any delays or complications. Processing times for deposits usually take between 1 and 4 business days, depending on your bank and the transfer method. Also, remember to check with your bank for any potential fees associated with local or international transfers to ensure you understand the total cost. Interactive Brokers allows you to fund your account in multiple currencies, including Singapore dollars, US dollars, and many others. While there isn't a strict minimum for all transfers, some methods might require a minimum deposit, often around 100 US dollars. Always be mindful of any daily or per transaction limits set by your bank or by Interactive Brokers to ensure your transfer goes through smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.